Alright. Alright. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's a poem. It's called... Oh, I'll get the bloody thing. Left hand side, right hand side, left hand. Have got it? Right hand side. Fuck, drunk. Oh, that's all right. Get a little bit extra. Alright, here we go. Here it is. Alright, this is called the broken panic button. This morning, while watering, I found a panic button. I pushed the white button. Nothing happened. Then I found a little arm behind it. I pulled it out. And there was writing on the arm. If I can get it up, I'll show you. There. It won't stay up. A bit like me. When I pushed the button, I didn't panic. And the writing on the arm, up yours, made me laugh. Maybe when I pushed the button, somewhere out there, someone is panicking right now. I know it's terrible. Anyway, I've got the panic button. Yeah. So pushing it achieves nothing. I do faintly remember. Anyway.